You another one. Yo, so check it. This all happened so fast. I haven't been able to keep up with all these videos, but I'm gonna fill you guys in real quick. The Audi, the suspension, we having a lot of problems with this suspension. It's madness. It's madness. The suspension fault light keeps coming on, so I've been back and forth to Finley Customs, which are the shop that did the lowering kit for me. It's just not working. It's just not working out. So, yeah, that's that. And right now, we on the way. I'm gonna go home, pack my overnight bag, and I'm out. Before I leave, I'm gonna make a quick pit stop right here at AutoZone. I gotta pick up a gas cap because No Drama baby mama, she was running late to work the other night and messed around and stopped and left my my gas cap. And I'll explain this car in a minute. But she left my gas cap on the car and lost it. And now I got that nasty check engine light in the Hummer again. So I gotta go get another one. Okay, got a new one. I gotta hurry up and get No Drama baby mama another car. All right, so as I mentioned, I would be explaining this car. It's real simple. I dropped off the Audi and this is a loaner. So this is the new Audi Q8, which I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong. Hit me down in the comments, let me know if I'm wrong, but I believe this is the same exact car as the Lamborghini Urus, because as we all know by now, Audi owns Lamborghini. Now to put this on there. Simple as that. Yep, so we're in LA. As you can probably tell by the traffic, ridiculous. Look at that. Wait for Vin Diesel to jump out of there. Got the Pista out here. Lord fire. Uh-oh. Look at the old school El Camino. Dinner time.
And I'll be back with the side order of directions.
Okay, so we've all done this before. Soup and salad.
So cute. Give me 1 second for the server, okay?
Ooh wee, that was good. All right, so that's gonna conclude tonight's vlog. That's it for the night, and we'll catch you in the morning. Peace. So, about to head out, get my hair cut. Oh yeah, and we're back in the Hilton at Universal, which is 5 out of 5 for me. So last night I ordered that movie Vanguard with Jackie Chan, which I was enjoying until I fell asleep, but they ended up refunding my money because I made a joke and said that I watched half of the movie. Could they give me half my money back for the movie? And the guy behind the counter who's checking me out gives me back all of my money because I fell asleep during the movie. How cool is that? How cool was that? And again, I'm giving the Hilton at Universal Studios a 5 out of 5. So if you guys are ever in LA and you need a hotel to stay at the Universal Hilton. 5 out of 5 every time. I do not miss this LA traffic. How funny is this, y'all? See this 550? The S550 look just like the Maybach that we had when we were here a couple of weeks ago. How funny is that? Making a quick pit stop. All right, guys, so y'all know what we thinking. You already know what we thinking. We were looking for a golf cart, and this is what Khaleesi said that she wants to get. I don't know if I can do that. Yet might have to get her something like this. I'm gonna find me a different one though. If this is the daddy car, this is what I need. This is what I need. See, it's already hooked up, got the top on it. And what are these called? The whips?
Yeah, those are buggy whips.
Yeah, this got everything on it already. It's ready to go. I like this one. Desert Storm version. This is dope. Does it feel heavy?
Kinda. Like I feel unstable. That or shaking.
So Khaleesi is wondering if she has enough guts to learn how to ride. So we're looking at bikes for her too. I don't know. What do you guys think? You gotta be born with the love for it. I loved this since I was a kid. Ooh, look at this. I need one of these. This thing is so tall. But I want to get another one of these. I had a KLR 650 some years ago. I want to get another one so I can ride off-road, like do some trails. I need another R1. That's an R3, R6. I need an R1. A newer R1. Yeah, that would be the size that you would be on.
Less heavy than that red one.
Yeah?
2,000?
2,000.
2,100. That's 24,000.
22,000.
And then what is that?
So a $22,000 golf cart. I thought the one that I was looking at was expensive. That one was only like 10 grand. This is double. What do you guys think? I like this. Shout out to all my Knick fans. Oh yeah, baby. All right, y'all, so what y'all think about this? Me and Khaleesi were having a talk, and she likes those golf carts. I really don't, but I guess we sort of agreed on getting a lesser version of a golf cart, something really nice, but less than half the price of what these are, and just getting a nicer side-by-side. So I guess the cat's out the bag. We're gonna get a nice side-by-side. So as you guys can see, we're on the way home. We had a wonderful time in LA. By the way, that's New York. New York in the house. Back home. Yo, you know what? We've been home for the last couple of hours, and I totally forgot. You know, I didn't even sign off. But being that we're here right now, do me a favor, man. Act like, you know, I want you to subscribe right now. I want you to like the video. I want you to comment, share, all that stuff. But right now, take the time. We're gonna take a couple of seconds, and I want you to treat that like button and that subscribe button like you're a woman. And if you're a woman, I want you to treat it like your man and fondle that share, fondle that subscribe, fondle that like button. Go ahead, do it right now. Oh, don't that feel good? I'm out of here, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. All right, one.